What's up guys, and thanks for stopping by the channel. So guys, today I'm just going to show you guys a very simple way to make a queen cage. So when I just started out, as you can see, this is one of my old queen cage that I made. I tried to carve out inside the piece of board, and when I get it deep and wide how I would like it, then I get piece of window screen, and I was trying to use the staple, but the staple that I use is a regular paper staple, so some of the staple came out back, they didn't hold properly, so I used thumbtack. You can see those two thumbtacks. So eventually I upgrade from this, and now I find a much better option. So guys, this is what I use. This is razor blade. I add a 100 pack razor blade with these plastic casing. 10 come inside the pack. So as you can see, this is a new one. We have 10 razor blade inside, and in that pack of razor blade you have 10 of these. So 10 times 10 is 100, so you get 100 razor blade inside the pack. So what I do now guys, as you can see, this is a really decent size queen cage. So I was looking at it one day, messing around, and I say, hey, I can use this to make a queen cage. So I went ahead and get piece of window screen. As you can see right here, this is window screen. So I just cut piece that would fit the queen cage, or fit the plastic casing that the razor blade came from. So what I did guys, I just place it on it like this, make sure it fit properly, and then now I use glue. This is shoes glue. You can use, it's the same as super glue or crazy glue. You can use that type of glue to glue the window screen to the plastic. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to get the glue outside the box. So here's the glue now guys. So I'm just going to run the glue along the edges. Simple as that. Just run the glue along the four sides, and then now I place the window screen on top. And then now I run some more glue over the window screen. As you can see, the window screen is being shifted. So whenever it dry guys, it's going to hold in place and the bees won't able to remove it. So I'm going to leave this guys for just a minute or so and let it dry. So guys, the window screen is still drying. As you can see, this is one that I made already, and I used it a couple of times. It got wax and propolis on it. So what I did now guys, this is where the razor blade come out the plastic case, so it have a little door. So what I did, I placed piece of tape I fold the tape in half, and then I put one end of the tape around the back and one end inside. So now you end up with this, and you can close it and open it. Simple as that. So whenever you have a queen inside, or you're going to put a queen inside, you just draw the tape like this, pull it, and the little door will open, and then you close it. You hear it click? So that's how I make a queen cage. It's very simple. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope this video helps someone, new beekeeper. I know there is a lot of new beekeeper trying to come up with ideas, ways how to make a queen cage. They don't have any queen cage in their possession, and they somehow end up with a queen and would like to cage that queen. So that's how you can make your own queen cage. So if this video helped, please leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know. Like the video, share it, and please subscribe to the channel, guys. New viewers, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below, and then hit the bell for notification whenever I upload a new video. So until next time, guys, bees out.